Hello everyone, I am Princess. Actually, I am going to discuss about the topic big data. As we know that the big data is a large set of that data that we can store. And what is big data? Big data generates values from the storage and processing of every large quantities of digital information that cannot be analyzed with the traditional computing technology. Extremely large set of that may be analyzed computationally to reveal patterns, trends, and associations, especially relating to human behaviors and interactions. There are three characteristics of big data. First one is volume, which means data quantity, and the second one is velocity, that is data speed, and the third one is variety, that means data type. And the first point, volume. Volume means the big data indicates huge volumes of data that is being generated on the daily basis from various sources like media platforms, business process, machines, networks, human interactions, etc. Such a large amount of data are stored in warehouse. And the second one is velocity. The term velocity refers to the speed of data. How fast the data is generating and proceed to meet the demands determine reveal potential in the data. And the third is variety. Variety of big data refers to structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data that is gathered from multiple sources. While in the past data could not be collected from spreadsheet and database, today data comes in the array of forms such emails, PDFs, photos, videos, and SMPOs and such more. And the next topic benefits. Benefits. First point is cost saving. Some tools of big data like Hadoop and cloud-based analytics can bring cost advantages to business when large amount of data are to be stored, and these tools are also help to identify more efficient way to doing business. And the second point is time reductions. The high speed of tool like Hadoop and in-memory analytics can easily identify new source of data, which helps business analyze data immediately and make quality decision based on the learning. And the third point is new production development. By knowing the trends of customers' needs and satisfaction through analytics, you can create product according to the wants of customer. And the next, understanding the market conditions. But analyzing big data, you can get a better understanding of current marketing conditions. For example, by analyzing customers' purchasing behavior, a company can find out the product of that are sold to most and produce products according to this trend. By this, it can get ahead of its competitors. And the second point is control online reputations. Big data tools can do sentiment analysis. Therefore, you can get feedback about who is saying what about your company. If you want to monitor and improve the online presence of your business, then big data tools can help in all this. There are six challenges in big data. The first point is the uncertainty of data management. One repetitive facing of big data management is the use of wide range of innovations and management tools and frameworks. Those designs are dedicated to supporting operational and analytic processing. And the second is talent gap in big data. It is difficult to win the representative from media and analytic in tech without being bombarded with content touching the value of the analysis of big data and corresponding reliance on a wide range of repetitive technologies. And the third is getting data into big data structure. It means it might be obviously that the intent of the big data management involves analyzing the processing a large amount of data. The next fourth point, sciencing according to data source. Once you import data into a big data platform, you may also realize that data copies migrated from a wide range of sources on different rates, and schedules can rapidly get out the synchronization with the organizing system. And the fifth one is extracting information from the data in big data integration. The most practical use case for big data involves the ability of data augmenting, exciting storage of data as well as allowing access to end user employees business intelligence tools for the purpose of discovery of data. And the sixth point is miscellaneous challenges. Other challenges may occur while integrating big data. Some of the challenges include integrating of data, skill availability, solution cost, and the volume of data, the rate of transaction of data, veracity and validity of data. The next topic is classification of big data. The first one is structured data. Thus, data that does have a proper format associated to it can be referred to as structured data. For example, data that is present within the database, the CSV files, and the Excel spreadsheet can be referred to structured data. The next one is semi-structured data that does not have a proper format associated to it can be referred to as semi-structured data. For example, the data that is present within a emails, the log files and Word document can be referred to as semi-structured data. And the last one is unstructured data. The data does not have any format associated with it. Can be referred to as unstructured data. For example, the image files, the audio files and the video files can be referred as unstructured data. Next topic is Apache Hadoop. Apache Hadoop is a collection of open source software utilizing that facilitating using a network of many computers to solve problems involving massive amount of data and computation. It provides a software framework for distributing storage and processing of big data using the MapReduce programming model. The core of Apache consists of storage part known as Hadoop Distributed File System, that is HDFS, and a process part which is MapReduce programming model. Hadoop split file into large blocks and distribute them across nodes in the cluster. It may be transfer package code into nodes to produce the data in parallel. Originally designed for computing cluster built from commodity hardware till the common use, it is also found use on cluster of higher end hardware. All the nodes of Hadoop are designed with a fundamental assumption that hardware familiar are common occurrence and should be automatically handled by the framework. This approach takes advantages of data locality when nodes manipulate the data when across to. This allows the data set to be proceed faster and more efficient than it would be more convenient supercomputer agreement that relies on the parallel file system, where computations of data are distributed high-speed networking. Thank you. Thank you to all for watching this video, and everyone please like and subscribe it. Thank you so much.